Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply sad or crying effect to your video in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my video as well. And the first thing we have to do is clicking on effect option right here. Then you're going to select body effect. Then you have to search for role category. So this is the role category. Then you have to tap on this effect, this unfair effect, like this. Okay, and after that you just need to click on this check mark button. Then you can make the effect align with your video, so you can drag the effect to the right like this. Then now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm gonna play the video. So this is the result guys. Okay, and as you can see that we have applied a sad or crying effect to our video. Okay guys, and that's how we can apply sad or crying effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.